This is a Black Brothers 48-inch pinch roller. The rolls in this machine are in good condition. Those rolls are 49 3/4 inches in width, and that is from the end of each lamination to the end of each lamination. The max daylight opening is 3 3/4 inches. That's what it is set to right now. Those rolls can touch, so it's basically 0 to 3 3/4 inches. Pressure is provided via dual pneumatic cylinders. These bodies are really, really large. These cans up top here, just the body alone, is 8.5 inches in diameter and 10 inches tall. If we go ahead and turn the rolls on, we can hit roll pressure, and it is going to lower that top roll to that fixed bottom roll. Power is provided via a single phase 230 volt 1 horsepower motor running through a gearbox. You do have a Leeson Speedmaster control. That's going to give you variable speed all the way down from a crawl. And I mean a crawl. If you look, it is barely running all the way up into fast. If we come in and hit stop, the top roll is going to pop up, machine is going to turn off, and of course we could then turn this into reverse. Hit your roll feed, hit roll pressure, and again, you now have a reverse. We'll come back around, throw this in forward, throw it in about 50% speed, and we are going to adjust height. We're going to come in here and twist this handle. By twisting this handle, you are basically lowering these two plates on these ball screws to either side, and you are increasing the gap, which is going to drop your top roll down further and decrease the gap. Adjust very easily. I'm going to now turn the machine back on, hit the roll pressure, and that top roll is going to fully touch that lower roll. So you have adjustability from basically 0 to 3 3/4 inches. You do have an emergency stop on the other side, safety rope on this side. If you have any comments or questions, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.